Steak in my brand new air fryer. Let's go. First, we're going to marinate with Worcestershire sauce, soy sauce, and some olive oil. About 2 tablespoons of each. Now you're going to want to gently rub it in. Flip it over and keep rubbing it in. Just like this. Except for I sped it up just a tad bit. I thought you ought to appreciate that so you don't have to endure a long drawn out video. I'm using a spoon to make sure I have some on the top as well, so as it sits it can absorb in. Now make sure you get all the crevices. After 40 minutes you're going to want to take it out of the marinade and dry it thoroughly. Also, you want to make sure your steak is at room temperature before you cook it. That way you can get an even cook. The next step is to add a generous amount of coarse salt and cracked pepper to both sides. Gently pat it in. Now we're ready to toss them in the air fryer. It says to insert the crisper plate, like I'm doing here. And wouldn't you know it, I did a oopsie. I forgot to preheat the air fryer. But in spite of that, it turned out really good anywho. Oh, and right before I made this steak, I made potatoes and asparagus. Videos coming soon. So the pamphlet says to put it at 400 from anywhere from 8 to, I think it said 15 minutes. But I'm going 12 because my husband likes it well done. I was supposed to turn them over at the halfway mark, but I'm only off by, 2 minutes. And it looks and smells amazing so far. Okay, 12 minutes are up. Let's see what we got here. Look at that deliciousness. Now the only thing left to do is to put them on a plate. And you're going to put a generous amount of butter on them and let them rest for like 5 minutes before you serve them. And y'all do me a favor. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now as far as steak in an air fryer, I highly recommend. 10 out of 10. Take care. Bye.